So good morning, students. We were able to complete this chapter last week, okay? And we were doing question answers, okay? And I told you that you are having Sunday. You were having Sunday. You could find out the answers, and so many students should raise their hands today in my class. You all should be ready with the answers. So question number one, you all should be very much eager to tell me the answer because I'm taking screenshots side by side of all those students who are raising their hands in class, those who are showing lots of enthusiasm to give me the answer. But those who are sitting passive in my class, those who are not participating at all, so I'm going to, you can say, take action against them. Those who are not participating at all, those who don't reply me. So raise your hands, hurry up. Question number one is, the old farmer is a kind person. What evidence of his kindness do you find in the first two paragraphs? And I want this answer in detail. You have to pick up the points from first two paragraphs because first two paragraphs, see, these two paragraphs are full of so many details that how can you justify, how can you give evidence that yes, that person was a kind, generous person. And one thing more, don't write down bookish language. You have to pick up lines from there, but you have to frame your answer in your own language. So for that, only 6 participants have still raised their hands. It was Sunday. I gave you homework to find out, only tick mark the, only underline the answers. Only 7 are raising their hands. Let me take their screenshot that out of 37, 7 have prepared the answer. What about others? I can ask this answer from any of the child. So first I expect from Drishti. Drishti, you tell me this answer and speak loudly.
Yes, ma'am. The old farmer is a nice, kind, and helpful person. He treated all the animals like his son. He also loved his dog like his baby. He also fed his dog with tidbits of fish and boiled rice. He was very hardworking, and all the way to work he gave food to all the animals and even birds.
Okay, good. You have tried well. Your answer was good. After that, I expect this answer from Lakshay. Lakshay, are you ready with your answer?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, the old farmer is sorry. In the first paragraph, it is written that the old farmer treated the dog like his old son. He will feed the dog with small pieces of fish with their own chopsticks and offer boiled rice to him as much as he wanted. The second paragraph says that to provide food to the birds, the old farmer will often turn up the surface of the ground. Both these instances proved that the old man was a kind person.
Your answer was good, but its pronunciation is often. Speak after me. Often.
Often.
Speak it 5 times.
Often, 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 often.
Yes, you should pronounce this word like often, not often. Okay, very good. Tried. You have picked all the points. So from all these evidence, we can say that old man was a, you can say, kind person. Now let's move to question number second. Bache, you all should be ready. Any of the student can be told to give me the answer. And you are supposed to write down all these answers in your fair notebook. Okay. Now question number second, right in front of is, what did the dog do to lead the farmer to the hidden gold? See, now you have to keep one point in your mind while framing this answer. That's why right in front of you, I'm going to write down whenever you frame this answer. So I'm providing you hint. Wait. For answer number 2, you have to use past tense. Whatever the lines you are going to frame, you have to write in past tense. Otherwise, marks will be deducted in your exam. Clear? So in answer number 2, whatever the lines you are going to write down, for example, the dog lead, sorry, the dog led, lead second form will be led. The dog did this, dog went to, whatever the lines, dog came running to the old farmer. So whatever the lines you are going to frame, you have to use past tense. Okay. Now 42 participants are there. It means all have come in my class. Now, bache, this answer I expect from Janvi. Janvi, you tell me
Yes,
second
ma'am.
answer in detail.
Okay, ma'am. To lead the farmer to the hidden gold, the dog came running to the farmer and kept its paw against his legs. It continuously kept directing towards a place behind him. The old man at first thought that the dog was just playing, but when it kept running and winning, the old man followed it to the place.
Okay, very good. Perfect answer. You have taken all the details. Good. Keep it up. Same answer I expect from Angadeep. Angadeep. Angad, unmute yourself and tell me the answer.
Yes, ma'am. The dog came running towards the farmer. It kept his paws against his leg and with its head it kept on directing towards that spot behind him.
You speak your answer again. You speak this answer
Ma'am?
again. Yes.
Ma'am, the dog came running towards the farmer. It kept his paws against his leg and with its head it kept on directing towards at a spot behind him. The old man ignored the dog, but it kept on whinnying and running to and from until the farmer followed it to the spot.
What words did you speak? Drafting? It kept drafting. What is that? Drafted word is there any in your book? What is the meaning of drafting? You have spoken like this, na? That's why I have told you to repeat your answer. It kept drafting. What is that? It kept directing. Speak directing. You wanted to speak like this, na? He kept directing. It means he was given direction to the old man. Isn't it? You wanted to say this thing, na? That he wanted to tell the directions. Bacha, tell me. Speak directing. Mute yourself. Unmute yourself.
Yes,
Now
ma'am.
speak. You wanted to say directing.
Yes, ma'am.
Speak it 5 times. He directed.
Directed.
Speak it 5 times.
Directed. Directed.
Directed.
Directed.
Speak
Directed. Directed.
Yes. Speak it 5 times.
Directed. 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 Directed.
Yes. Now
Directed.
very good. Now your pronunciation is good. So whatever the frame, whatever the contents you have framed, your all content was so good. Keep it up. Keep participating in my class. I'm happy with your performance, but you participate very less, isn't it? So now you all always should get ready with the answer. You should always raise your hand in the class. Okay, then you will be in the category of intelligent student, good speakers. Okay, you want to come in that category? Tell me, show me thumbs up. You want to come in the category of a good student? Yes. Okay, Anmol Singh, now you tell me same answer. Unmute yourself. Unmute yourself, Anmol Singh. Yes, bache, tell me this same answer. Tell me same answer. Anmol Singh, I'm waiting for your turn. Unmute yourself and tell me answer. Hurry up.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, sir.
Same answer second.
Ma'am, second answer is the dog tried to take him to some spot. He kept on running for some minutes. The old man followed his pet dog. At one place, the dog started scratching the earth. The old man dug the earth and found a pile of gold gleaming before him.
Yes, your answer is right. But there are some mistakes I have found. Just repeat it again slowly.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, the dog tried to take him to some spot. He kept on running for some minutes. The old man followed his pet dog. At one place, the dog started scratching the earth. The old man dug the earth and found a pile of gold gleaming before him.
Pile a gold beaming in front of him. Beaming? What did you
Ma'am,
say?
gleaming.
So gleaming in front of him. Good. Well tried. Your answer was correct, but the way you speak, that is not perfect. You should practice for that. Your content quality is very good, writing skills are good, but you should work on your speaking skills. Okay, so in your free time you read good books, read newspapers, watch English news channels, watch any of English cartoon channels, even you can watch. Okay, so you just learn how to speak. Okay, don't mind, I'm here only to guide you, bache. Clear? Otherwise, content, vocabulary you have used, that was awesome. That was fabulous. You have used gleaming word from your textbook. That's really good. Now, same answer I expect from Jasleen, roll number 23. Jasleen, unmute
Yes, ma'am.
yourself and tell me same second answer.
Yes, ma'am. The dog, one day the dog came running to the farmer and started moving towards a spot behind him. Initially, the farmer ignored him, but when it kept scratching on that spot, he went and started to dig there, and there he found a pile of gleaming gold.
Okay, good. Your answer was good. Okay. Now afterwards, I expect same answer from Guneet Kaur. Sorry, Satvik. Satvik has kept his camera on first time. So Satvik, you tell me this answer. Where has Satvik gone?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, the dog came running to him, putting his paws against his legs and motioning with his head to some.
You speak so a little bit loudly and speak slowly.
Ma'am, the dog came running to him, putting his paws against his legs and motioning with his head to some spot behind. The old man at first thought his pet was only playing with him and did not mind it, but the dog kept on winning and running to and fro for some minutes. Then the old man followed the dog a few yards to his place. The old man found a pile of gold gleamed before him.
Good. Perfect. Satvik, I think you have spoken this answer first time in class.
Yes, ma'am.
You never participate. That's really bad, but you are a very good speaker. Your answer was perfect. So why don't you raise your hand in class and tell me the answer? It means you have put efforts on Sunday.
Yes, ma'am.
You have gone through the chapter and found the answer.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, that's good. If you have worked hard on Sunday, I really want to appreciate you. You also come in the category of a good student. Very good. Keep it up. Okay, whatever the homework is given to you, you should do it. Very good. Now let's move to third, but before that I want to tell you, in second answer you are supposed to write down all the lines using past tense, and you have to write down all the content, like he put his paws against his legs and directed the farmer to a particular spot. with his head. Okay. First of all, old man was not listening to him. He was not paying any heed. I have told you the meaning of paying any heed on that day. I was telling you the meaning of paying any heed. Paying any heed means paying any attention. So first of all, old farmer was not paying any heed, paying any attention. So in place of that attention, you write down heed. I have told you so many times this word, and I expect that you should use somewhere. Only then it will be easy for you to learn. So attention means heed. Okay. So first of all, he did not pay any heed. He ignored him, but it kept on. Use this word also. It is given in your book. Okay. And use this word also. Running to and fro. Okay. So pick up all these words from your paragraph. Okay. After that, old farmer had to follow the dog for a few yards away. So write down few yards away also. Few yards away also. Okay. And after that, one of the student, he has used a very beautiful word that he found a pile of gold which was gleaming. I was impressed to listen. One of the boys spoke. I forgot his name. He spoke a gleaming word. It is given in your book. You have to copy. You have to pick up only that word, gleaming. Okay. So in this way, you have to frame your answer using these words. You have to pick up all the details and frame your answer. Okay, bache? Now let's move to question number 3. Today my students are performing so well. I'm so happy with their performance that they have worked hard on Sunday. Out of 46, only 13, I expect that all students should raise their hands. All. They all should be eager to tell me the answer. They all should be eager to impress their teacher. So question number 3 is, how did the spirit of the dog help the farmer first? In this same hint one I'm going to provide you, the hint is that in question did is given. So whatever the lines you are going to frame for answer number 3, you have to use past tense. Okay, so start framing this answer. For answer number 3, use past tense. I think not even a single student has done mistake of grammar. Grammatically, your answers were absolutely fine. But that's good. But keep this thing in your mind that whenever did is given in the question, you are supposed to write an answer using past tense, each and every line. So let me give a chance to Rivya Gaba. Okay, Rivya bache, you tell me third answer, first part.
Yes, ma'am. Spirit of the dog came into the farmer's dream and asked him to chop the pine tree where his grave was made to make paste out of it. When the farmer was hammering, it turned into gold, and the dog made the farmer rich and prosperous. When he went to the city, he got many costly gifts from daimyo and addition too.
Okay, good. Well tried. Good answer. Now I expect this answer from Arpita. After Arpita, Mittul, you should be ready.
Yes, ma'am. After the dog's death, the dog kept helping the farmer. The spirit of the dog asked the farmer in his dreams to cut down the pine tree over his grave and make a mortar for rice pastry and a mill for bean sauce.
You speak your answer again.
After the dog's death, the dog kept helping the farmer. The spirit of dog asked the farmer in his dream to cut down the pine tree over his grave and make mortar for rice pastry and a mill for bean sauce.
you just write down, add this thing, to make mortar and hand mill, because these instructions were given by the spirit of the dog, to make mortar and hand mill. Okay, otherwise answer was perfectly all right. Good, well tried. Afterwards I gave a chance to Mitul. Yes, Mitul, you tell me the answer. Mitul, you tell me the answer. Unmute yourself. Same answer. Hurry up. Hurry up, Mitul. Mitul, tell me your answer. Mitul, tell me your answer. वीडियो ऑफ ही है, चाकू बताने तैयार नहीं होगी, बुखार से गाना तो तैयार नहीं। अच्छा, मितुल, okay, Mitul is not able to unmute himself. It's really bad. What happened, Mitul, to you? Okay, now I expect this answer from Mayank. Mayank, you tell me. It doesn't mean that I will ask answer only from those students who are raising their hands. I expect this answer from any of the child. Books are with you. You find out content. After this, Harmanpreet should be ready with his answer. Harmanpreet, third question, first part. Mayank is not able to unmute himself. That's really bad. It means he is not present in class. Harmanpreet, Mitul, you are supposed to talk to me after the class. Okay, Harmanpreet, you tell me this same answer. Harmanpreet is not showing interest in class. That's really bad. Mitul, Harmanpreet, Mayank, three are not responding. Rihanika, you tell me. Rihanika Kapoor. Rihanika. Ashima. Himanshi. They never participate in the class. Very simple answers are going on. Yes, tell me, bache.
Yes, ma'am.
Tell me.
Yes, ma'am.
Hurry up. Don't waste our
Yes,
time.
ma'am. The at the first the spirit of the dog appeared to the farmer in a dream and asked him to cut down the pine tree over his grave and to make a mortar of rice, pastry, and a mill for bean store farming.
You speak your answer again.
At first, the spirit of the dog appeared to
Wait. Speak. At first, the spirit of the dog. Speak after me. Spirit.
at spirit of the dog appeared to the farmer in a dream and asked him to cut down the pine tree over his grave and to make a motor for ice, Pacey and a mill for being sort of from it.
Okay, and what did the farmer get afterwards? The farmer got
Farmer and asked him to cut down the pine tree.
after that farmer got, what was the result of that? The farmer got heaps of
Yeah, we saw Pacey and mill
heaps of
for
gold,
being
beta, heaps of gold. Farmer got heaps of gold with the motor and mill. Okay, now Mitul, you are ready with your answer, bache?
Yes, ma'am.
Now tell me this answer.
The spirit of the dog appeared in the farmer's dream and instructed him to cut off the pine tree. It also said that old farmer should make a motor and hand mill with that. When the farmer followed the instructions of the spirit of the dog, he received heaps of gold. That is how the spirit of the dog helped him first.
Very good, perfect. So earlier you were not responding in class. What happened at that time?
Actually, I didn't got the option of unmuting myself.
I did not got or did not get? Tell me. I did not
Got.
get. With did we are supposed to use first form. Okay. So I did not get the option of keeping myself unmute. Speak like this. Speak after me. I did not get the option of
I did not get the option of
unmute myself.
unmute myself.
Good. Now, earlier, Harmanpreet were also not responding. Harmanpreet, what happened to you? You don't participate in my class. Shall I talk to your mother? Harmanpreet, shall I send your name in the English group that these students are inattentive student of my class? They are not participating. Shall I? Then all the parents will come to know that these students are not participating in class. They are inattentive during English class. I'm making a list side by side because it happened third time, Harmanpreet. You did not respond in the class. Harman, are you listening to me? Why is your answer not ready? Tell me if content is not clear. Unmute yourself. I think I should talk to your mother today. Then Hardik Bhutani. Hardik Bhutani, your answer is ready or not? Same. Hardik doesn't respond, doesn't give any response. So these students are inattentive students. I should talk to their parents today in evening. I'm supposed to talk to them. I'll tell them that today watch this video and see these students are not responding in class at all. Now let's move to question second part. See, all of you have told me first answer absolutely correct. That spirit of the dog. Your pronunciation was not okay. It is spirit. Okay. So the spirit of the dog came in the farmer's dream and he asked him that you should chop the pine tree and out of the pine tree you should make mortar as well as a hand mill. Okay. So when farmer started doing this thing, so in this activity, he got a chance to have a heap of gold which was gleaming in front of him along with mortar and mill. Now let's move to question second part, third. How did it help him next? How did it help him next? So in this answer, I'm giving you a hint. In this, you have to tell that spirit of dog came in his dream again. Okay. And it told the farmer to collect the ash, sprinkle it in with the trees, and the trees would bloom. Okay. And he did it in the front of Demios also. The tree started blooming and he was awarded costly gift by Daimyo. So all the details you have to add in second part. Okay, this is a long answer you are supposed to frame. So bache, I expect this answer first of all from who is ready with the answer. We are running out of time. Only one child will be able to give me the answer. So I expect that first good student should give. Then okay. Arpita, you tell me your answer. Third, second part. Yes, bache, tell
Yes,
me.
ma'am.
Yes.
The spirit of the dog informed the farmer in his dream that his wicked neighbors had burned the handmill. He advised him to take the ashes of the mill and sprinkle them on the bare trees so they would bloom again.
Okay, good. But add so many other details I have told you.
Okay, ma'am.
Add up all those details. I'm giving you time. One more student can speak this answer by the time. But answer was good, but all the details are not added. You are supposed to write down this answer in detail. So, Harmanpreet, your answer is ready? Or shall I talk to your mother? Tell me. Harmanpreet, I have provided you hints. One of the student has also. Yes. Tell me your answer. Thank God you have kept your camera on. What happened? Why are you not telling me the answer in the English class? Tell me. Yes, Harman. Tell me your answer. Unmute yourself. You are not able to unmute yourself. The problem is this only. Otherwise, I know you are a very good student. You should keep you should keep yourself unmute. Okay, Jasleen, you tell me same answer. You should give me this answer, Jasleen.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Next time the dog came into the farmer's dream and told him to take the ashes of the mortar and the mill and sprinkle it on the withered trees to make them bloom. When the farmer sprinkled them on the cherry trees, the trees bloomed again. When the daimyo's procession was coming, he sprinkled some ashes on the tree, and again the trees bloomed. In return, the daimyo rewarded the farmer with rich gifts and silk robes.
Okay, good. Very good. Now time is running out. Bache, you can join your next class. Okay, we will continue these questions tomorrow. Tomorrow, see other next questions will be done in the class. Okay, bache.